Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Rebate Key. Maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to earn 100% free products online? All right, let's check this website out. Or is it a waste of time? Okay, now at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, so that you can go buy whatever products you want, just click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, save money as well, and some of them are great ways, some of them are so-so, and some websites are just a waste of time. So let's check out Rebate Key to find out what this is all about, all right? Now, Rebate Key is basically a cashback website, but it's a little bit different from a lot of the other cashback websites that I've reviewed out there, right? So the way this works is they work with manufacturers and products that are actually very unknown. So they're not popular products, they're just coming out in the market, and they want Rebate Key to help to market their products. So they offer a lot of very big cashback discounts, all right? And some of the discounts will go up to 100%. So sometimes you can really get products for free. And what you would do is you would use Rebate Key, and you would click through their links, and it will send you mainly to Amazon, and you would buy through Amazon, but then you would get the cashbacks directly through Rebate Key. All right, so if I just scroll down here, you can see that some of these products have some very, very big discounts, like these Batman windows, right? Curtain set, 30% off, right? This gemstone bracelet, 71% off, right? It used to be 35 bucks. You can now get it for $9.99, right? These vintage art, 70% off, right? This hair FX is 85% off. Okay, so let's just look for 100% off to see. You can see this one right here, right? Rosalind Boutique teeth whitening strips, 100% off. So that's basically free, all right? So that looks pretty amazing, right? Now, how does this actually work, okay? So the important thing that you have to understand about Rebate Key is that you still have to pay for the product, all right? So you're not just gonna get it outright free, but what they do is you would basically click on this link right here. You want to read through all the directions, okay? Make sure you do that first. You know, how does this actually work? Blah, 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 all that stuff. And then you would click on this link directly here to go directly to Amazon. Oh, I don't know why I've been blocked there, unfortunately. But you know, if you click right there, it will go directly to Amazon. You would buy through Amazon, and then you would copy the link, come back into Rebate Key, and then put it in the unclaimed section, and I'll show you how to do this in a second, all right? And then after 35 days, they will rebate you the $9.99. So basically that's how it works. You have to buy the products up front. You have to tell Rebate Key that you bought through their website using the code, all right, through Amazon. And then after that, they will rebate your money within 35 days. That's how it works. So you do have to spend your money up front, and then they will rebate you, your money back in 35 days. Okay, so that's kind of how it works, right? And so if you want to shop for a lot of different products, you would come up to the shop section here, and it's pretty cool because they've got a lot of different categories. So everything from automotive to baby products to books to electronics to musical instruments, basically pretty much anything here, right? So let's just go to the sporting goods section, for example. Then you can even do a little search right here if you want, but they also list a whole bunch of different products that you can buy, okay? Now, not all of them will be 100% off, but they do offer some pretty big discounts, right? 25%, 20%, 23% off fishing lures, right? For example, okay? 47% off this waist trainer for women and men, actually, all right? 53% off these, skipping ropes right here, all right? Not that much product right here, so you can see it's quite little in this particular category. And you see, that's the thing about Rebate Key. The reason why it's they can give such high discounts is because they work with manufacturers that are very unknown. So they're not big popular brands, and that's the way that they work. The reason why they can give you such big discounts is these brand new product companies want to give their products away, essentially, or promote their products more. So they come to Rebate Key, they offer you big discounts so that they're kind of like marketing the products to you for you to buy them. You get it either for free or at big discounts, and then they get their brands out there. That's kind of how it works, okay? So it's a win-win for the product company and for the consumer, you as well, all right? So it's pretty cool. Now, let's check out the FAQ just so that you can understand a little bit more about how this works, all right? So the important thing is, how do you claim a rebate? All right, this is very, very important. It's not as simple as just buying through their links and then going to Amazon and then you're going to get the rebate straight away. What happens is you have to purchase the product through their link, you'll be redirected to Amazon, all right? You need to copy the order ID, that's very, very important, and then you have to come back to Rebate Key and go to purchases and go to unclaimed. All right, so you have to do that straight away after every single purchase. And then you need to click on confirm purchase with your order ID to confirm it. And then you wait for 35 days and then they will pay you back into your wallet after 35 days. And then you can withdraw either through PayPal, check, or e-gift card. That's how they pay you out. But remember that they only pay you out after 35 days. Now, another thing that you have to understand is that if you decide to use Rebate Key, you can only purchase 5 products per day or 50 products a month. All right, so it's not unlimited. There is a limited amount of products that you can buy, but I mean, purchasing 5 products a day is still quite a lot, all right? But just understand that it's 5 products a day or 50 products max per month, all right? So these are the most important things that you have to remember. So overall, as a website, as a cashback site, I think it's pretty cool, okay? They even have a Chrome extension here, which will make it easier for you. So, you know, I would just download this, add this to Chrome, and then as you are shopping on Amazon, it will pop up and it will basically tell you whether this is a Rebate Key product and how much discount that you can get. So it does save you a lot of time instead of coming back onto the shop right here and trying to figure out what products to buy, okay? Now, overall, as a website and as an offer, I think it's pretty cool, all right? Because you can get some pretty big discounts on certain products. You know, not every product is 100% discount, right? And then you still have to pay upfront, so you do have to cash flow this. You have to understand that, right? But the discounts are pretty big. You know, some of them are, you can see, you know, 50%, some are 30%, some are 20%. Some of them will be 100%, but not that many. The big problem with Rebate Key is because they are working with products that are very unknown, unlike a lot of other normal cashback websites, you don't have that many products to buy as an option because their inventory isn't that big, because not every, you know, it's not a whole list of products from Amazon. It's just some, because only some manufacturers are new and some of them work with Rebate Key to do these special promotions to market their products more so that more people get to know about them, right? So unfortunately, their range of products in their shop, even though they have a lot of categories here, it's not that extensive. I mean, you saw it earlier in sporting goods. We only had like 5 or 6 products right there. Sorry, I don't know why that's going to page not found, but you saw it earlier, right? Where the sporting goods section, it only had about 5 or 6 or 7 products, which is not that much, unfortunately. Okay, so they don't offer that many products, but for the products that they do offer, you can get some pretty decent discounts if you're interested in some of these types of products. You might not be interested in some of these products that they offer, but you know, pretty good discount. I mean, look at this, silicone earphones for women, 76% off. It's only $3.84, not bad. But remember, you have to cash flow this and then they'll pay you back in 35 days. So not bad, all right? So if you want to check out Rebate Key, you can just head over to rebatekey.com, all right? So pretty cool cashback website. The only thing about cashback websites is you still have to spend money, right? So you're not really making money. Yes, you are saving money, which is great. But the thing is, you still have to spend your own money in order for you to buy products, right? Now, if you're watching this video right now, what we cover a lot on this channel are ways to not only save money, but to actually generate income. How do you make money? I mean, you're online right now, you're watching this video on YouTube, right? There must be a way for you to generate income online. And there are a lot of different ways. We've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on this website. Some of them are so-so, some of them are great, some of them are a waste of time. But the method that I found that is best for beginners to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 100% online, leveraging software, leveraging systems, and leveraging the internet is a very specific strategy. And if you want that strategy, we've got a masterclass. You can check it out for free, all right? Just click the link below and I'll send you that masterclass straight to your email. You can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Rebate Key. Hope to see you on another review. Take care and all the best.